I'm going to be using trading view. It's just going to be a quick technical analysis, a trend line strategy. So we're going to go over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, all you have to do is basically we're going to assume the markets are here, yeah, and you're on the 1 hour time frame. All you've got to do is go grab a trend line and look at the positions, the previous highs the price made from this position to this position here, just like that. And that is the upper side. So we're technically waiting for price to hit the upper trend line for the third time so that we enter a sell. If not, you should keep an open mind. So we get another 2 points. We pick this point, this first point here, and we connect it to the second point, which is down there. So we have up and down. So wherever price is gonna break out, we're going to enter. If price breaks above, we're gonna enter. Let me get an arrow. Okay, so if price breaks this upper trend line, we're going to enter the buy to the upside. But if price breaks below, we enter the sell going downwards. So yeah, that's the best and simple strategy. So let's take a look at what price did. When we scroll, we can see that here price broke the lower trend line right here. Price broke the lower trend line on, this is on the 1 hour time frame. And if we want to see, we can actually go to right here. That's where price broke. So we can, if we want to see for entries, we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let me see, where is that? Or the 5. Yeah, we can get the 15-minute or the 5-minute. Let's check what's going on the 15 time, on the 15. Okay, yeah, there we had a clean breakout and retest. Did you see that? Did you see that right here? A clean um a clean breakout and retest. You guys, just take a look at this right there. Price broke out, went down, came back to retest, and sold. So if you were entering a sell, you could have entered here and exited. You could have exited your trade. Well, let's go back to the 1 hour. So you could have exited your trade. Your first TP definitely had to be this low, this zone right here. So let me just grab something. Let's see. Let me grab a what's that? What's that? A rectangle, yeah, right here. So this zone could have been your first TP right there, but yeah, right there. And fortunately, price broke that level, broke down. Okay, price broke that level, and which was very good. So this level I've marked here with this rectangle is just for purposes of uh, first TP. For the other TP, you can go to the 4 hour time frame and look out for the order blocks, which order blocks are strong. So for the long term TP, you can target these lows right here, this zone, all of this zone right there. That was a strong zone. So yeah, that's it for the trend line break strategy, break and retest strategy. So let's take a look for this. We were doing this on the 1 hour. We can also do this on the 4 hour. As you can see, as price is moving, we have these zones right here. We have this point right here, first point, and we're gonna pick out this one as the second point. And down below, we can also draw another trend line, this first point right here, and we can pick that as the second point right there. As you can see clearly, this is on the 4 hour time frame. We can use this strategy on any time frame. So we have first touch, second touch right here, and it broke out right here on the third, which was supposed to be the third touch. Okay, sorry for that. Price broke out for this, which was supposed to be the third touch. So right there, as you can see, this candle right here, it broke out. This candle broke out, and we had another candle. It went back to retest and started going down. So the first TP was this level right there. And for the long term TP, we can go to the daily time frame and check out the other other order blocks. So on the daily we have, sorry, not this one. On the daily we have this zone right here. Price is likely to bounce off of these zones. This is our first zone. This is our first one, and it actually did, as you can see right there. That's where price bounced off from. And the other levels are these. You can mark these levels as well. This level and these, especially these two. You can mark them and use them as your TP levels. So that's it for the trend line break and retest strategy.